Hello, today our chapter is magnetic effect of currents, and in this chapter we will cover the topic Biot-Savart law.
Biot-Savart law. It deals with the magnetic field induction at a point due to small current element. Consider XY current carrying conductor. We have to find magnetic field at point P at a distance r from current element IDL. Theta is the angle between current element and position vector r. IDL is current element. Magnetic field induction dB at a point P due to current element IDL depends on following factor. dB is directly proportional to I, also directly proportional to dl, directly proportional to sin theta, where theta is angle between IDL and r. Combining dB also directly proportional to 1 by r square. Assuming equation first, second, third and fourth. Combining all these equations, dB directly proportional to I dl sin theta by r square. dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square, where mu naught by 4 pi is constant and value of mu naught by 4 pi is equal to 10 raised to power minus 7. Mu naught is absolute magnetic permeability of free space. Value of mu naught is 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. And unit of mu naught is Weber per ampere per meter. We can write it, or Tesla per ampere into meter.
इसकी फोटो खींच लेना.
Now we will write Biot-Savart law in vector form. We divide and multiply this equation by r. We can write mu naught by 4 pi I dl cross r divided by r cube. This equation is vector form of Biot-Savart law. Magnetic field also vector quantity, I, dl and r also vector quantity. Now we will find direction of B. Consider conductor carrying current I. When current is passed through the conductor, magnetic field is produced in the form of concentric circle with conductor as center, lying in plane perpendicular to state conductor. Direction of magnetic field line is anticlockwise. If the current flows in upward, this law is known as right hand thumb rule or screw rule. Cross show the direction of magnetic field inward and perpendicular to plane, and dot shows the direction of magnetic field upward and perpendicular to plane. We can use this rule in other way. If also known as screw rule. If direction of magnetic field is perpendicular and outward, shown by dot, direction of current will be anticlockwise. Curvature of finger shows the direction of current and thumb represent the direction of magnetic field. Also, if direction of magnetic field inward and perpendicular to plane shown by dot, and the curvature of finger shows the direction of current clockwise direction. Current is anti-clockwise if B is upward, and current will be clockwise if B is downward and perpendicular to plane shown by dot.